ating mga nagagandahang judges na nasa harap. Siyempre, umpisahan natin sa judge. Sa judge number 1. She is diligent teacher, an industrious businesswoman, and a housewife, graduate of Bachelor Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Judge number 1, Ms. Lisa Talavera.
Ayan. And from the malayong lugar, not Dubai, she is a project administrator from Abu Dhabi, UAE, a graduate of BS in Computer Science with a background in music conducting and voice lesson. Ako, gagalingan na may mga singing talent, no? And she will be the second judge of our beautiful GK candidates for this fabulous evening. Let us welcome Miss Maribel Balyan.
Okay, judge number 3. She is a graduate of Christian Education, the Genuine Mercado of C&M. A beautiful and sexy wife of the Pastor Silva. Sino kaya yun? She thinks that the inner beauty comes from the good attitude. Okay, please welcome, introducing judge number 3, Miss Delia. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Ay,
Nakalimutan mo naman yung ating
Nakalimutan natin, nag-iisang judge na maganda. So, magbigay tandaan tayo para sa judge number 4. Si Ariana Samdila, introducing judge number 4. She's the reigning GK title holder of 2009, the only daughter of Mr. and Mrs. of Samdila. And until tonight, she will pass the crown of GK to the fortunate GK 2011.
Napakaganda niya, di ba? Pero ano siya? Cory.
Meron na sa ating table.
Okay, gusto na ba nyo? Kasi pag gusto nyo, alis na kami, kaya nag-imbis natin. Okay, ready na? Wala akong marinig na sigaw eh! Mahina! Tama! Okay.
Ano nga ba? Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the GK candidate number 11.
Okay, habang inaayos ko ang ating mic, yung ating criteria for judging, best in sportswear, 10%, best in gown, 10%, Miss Photogenic, 15%, Voter's Choice, 15%,